everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of how to create an effective LinkedIn company page. Let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty. Crafting a LinkedIn company page that works for you is essential in today's professional landscape. Here's your step-by-step guide. First up, polish your profile to perfection. Use a professional logo and a cover image that truly represents your brand. Craft an engaging About Us section that tells your company's story and mission. Now let's talk about connecting with your audience. Consistently share updates, articles, and industry insights. When people comment or send messages, be quick with your responses. Building trust is key here. Don't underestimate the power of your team. Showcase your fantastic employees. Highlight their skills, achievements, and what makes them shine. This adds a human touch to your brand and boosts your credibility. And don't forget the visual appeal. Incorporate eye-catching visuals like videos and images. These grab attention and convey your message effectively. And there you have it. You've just gained the skill to create an effective LinkedIn company page that can significantly boost your brand's presence and credibility in the professional world. In summary, a well-crafted LinkedIn company page can open doors to new opportunities and valuable connections. Give these steps a whirl and you'll witness your LinkedIn presence thrive. Thanks for hanging out and learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create an effective LinkedIn company page. Stay tuned for more invaluable insights, and I'll catch you in the next video.